Hi, welcome you all to mathematics session. Myself, Mary, handling class 9 standard. This is my second video on decimal forms. Here I am dealing with chapter 2 decimal forms. Hope you have seen my first video related to decimal forms. There I converted the fractions with denominators 2 or 5 into decimal forms. So, hope that you all have worked out different examples related to the fractions with denominators 2 and 5. Now, let us move on to other fractions, that is fractions with denominators some other. Let it be, we will take an example, let it be 1 by 9. So, if I am taking 9, if I am multiplying any number with 9, I will not get powers of 10. So, what to do? So, that we will be dealing in this session, how to convert fractions with other denominators. So, let us move to 1 by 9. In order to convert the fraction, convert this 1 by 9 into decimal form, the first step is I have to multiply this by 10 into 10. Both numerator and denominator I have to multiply by 10. If I am rearranging this fraction, I will get it as 1 by 10 into 10 by 9. And this 10 by 9, we can write it as mixed fraction. So, that is 1 by 10 into 10 by 9, while writing it as mixed fraction, it becomes 1 plus 1 by 9. Here, I am applying distributive law. So, opening the bracket, I will get it as 1 by 10 plus 1 by 90. Here, this side it is 1 by 9. So, 1 by 9 is equal to 1 by 10 plus 1 by 90. This 1 by 10 I am bringing to the left side. It becomes 1 by 9 minus 1 by 10 is equal to 1 by 90. This let it be equation number 1. Same fraction again I am taking and multiplying by 100. That is 1 by 9, I can write it as 1 by 9 into 100 by 100. That is, instead of 10 by 10, in the second I am multiplying by 100 in the numerator and denominator. So, we will get it as, and rearranging this, I can write it as 1 by 100 into 100 by 9. Again that 100 by 9 can be made it as mixed fraction. So, this become 1 by 100 into 11 plus 1 by 9. Now, as earlier, opening the bracket, we will get it as 11 by 100 plus 1 by 900. Now, this side, left side, it is 1 by 9. Taking this 11 by 100 to the left side, you will get 1 by 9 minus 11 by 100 is equal to 1 by 900. Let it be equation number 2. So, again, I can find out the same with the same fraction. Once again, I can multiply with 1000. So that I will get another equation. Let us try. So, again the same thing I am doing it again, but I am multiplying with 1000. So, moving to the next step, that is, we are moving in the same way. What we have done it in the earlier two, same thing we are going to write over there. So, this becomes 1 by 1000 into 1000 by 9, that is equal to 1 by 1000 into 111 plus 1 by 9, that is by making it as mixed fraction. Then opening the bracket, we will get it as 1 by 9 minus 111 by 1000 is equal to 1 by 9000. So, 3 equations we have got it here. We will write all the 3 equations together, see what happens. So, I am writing the first equation, second equation and the third equation together. First equation which I got is 1 by 9 minus 1 by 10 is equal to 1 by 90. That was the first equation which you have got. Second equation is 1 by 9 minus 1 by 100 is equal to 1 by 900. And the third equation is 1 by 9 minus 1 by 1000 is equal to 1 by 9000. We will compare all these 3 equations. What happens in all these 3 equations? While moving downwards, we can see that this 1 by 1000 is very small compared to 1 by 900 and 1 by 90. That is, the differences are becoming very less. The difference between 1 by 9 and 1 by 1000 is very less than 1 by 9 and 1 by 100. So, the differences, again if I am writing one more step, I am writing here 1 by 9 minus 1 by, next step will be, this is 11 by 100, 111 by 1000. Thus, if I am writing it as next step by 10,000, it is equal to 1 by 90,000. So, writing it in this order, what happens is that while moving downwards, the differences between these 2 fractions are becoming very less compared to these all. So, we can say that this 1 by 10, 11 by 100, 111 by 1000, 1111 by 10,000, these all are coming closer and closer to 1 by 9. That is, these all fractions, the difference between this is 1 by 90, and 1 by 9 minus 11 by 100, it is 1 by 900, and this is less than 1 by 90. 1 by 900, the value of 1 by 900 is less than 1 by 90. Same way, the value of 9000, 1 by 9000 is further less than 1 by 900. And 1 by 90,000 is again small. That is, it is becoming infinitesimally small. That means the difference between these 2 is small, means they are coming closer and closer. The fraction 1 by 9 is approximately equal to 1111 by 10,000. So, I can write it as, since these fractions are coming closer and closer, I can write 1 by 9 is approximately equal to 1111 by 10,000, or 1 by 9 is equal to 0.111 etc. because it is approximately. 1 by 9 is approximately equal to 1111 by 10,000, means 1 by 9 is equal to 0. Because in the next level I will get it as again 1 by 9 minus 1111 by 1 lakh is equal to, so those differences are becoming very small. That means these fractions, we cannot find out a correct value for 1 by 9, it is recurring, but though we can find out 1 by 9 as 0.111 etc. Similarly, we can take some other fraction. Let it be 2 by 9. So, same way we have to move on. 2 by 9. This is for 2 by 9. So, 2 by 9 also, in order to find out the decimal form of 2 by 9, I have to move on using the same steps. So, I can write 2 by 9 as 2 by 9 into 10 by 10, rearranging, I am getting it as 2 by 9 minus 2 by 10 is equal to 2 by 90 using the same steps above. Same way, multiplying with 100, also I will be getting the same steps, that is 2 by 100 into 100 by 9, then making it as mixed fraction, you will get it as the equation 2. This is equation number 2. That is 2 by 9 minus 22 by 100 is equal to 2 by 900. So, we will write all these equations together and see what happens. The first equation is 2 by 9 minus 2 by 10 is equal to 2 by 90. Then the second equation, 2 by 9 minus 22 by 100 is equal to 2 by 900. That is the second equation. Third one, 2 by 9 minus 222 by 1000 is equal to 2 by 9000, and so on. It goes on continuously, and we can see that this, while going downwards, this number, that is 2 by 9000, then next one will be 2 by 90,000. These all are infinitesimally small. They are very small. So, compared to this one, this is very small. That is why I can say that this 202 by 10, 22 by 100, 222 by 1000, etc. is coming closer and closer to 2 by 9. Or we can write, that is 2 by 10, 22 by 100, 222 by 1000, etc. come closer and closer to 2 by 9, or that is 0.2, 0.22, 0.222, etc. come closer and closer to 2 by 9, or I can write 2 by 9 as 2 by 9 is equal to 0.222, etc. So, from the first one, 1 by 9 I got it. Now I got 2 by 9. We will write all these together and see what is the generalization. So, earlier I got 1 by 9 is equal to 0.111, etc. Now, again I got 2 by 9 is equal to 0.222, etc. Then definitely I can write the remaining. How can I write? Next one will be, next one is 3 by 9. But 3 by 9 means in a rational expression, that is if it is a fraction, always we will write in the simplest form. So, 3 by 9 is the same as 1 by 3. So, 3 by 9 as usual we can write it in the same pattern, that is 0.3333, etc. So, similarly 4 by 9 will be 0.444, etc. What can we generalize here? We can say that if a fraction with denominator 9 and the numerator is a single digit number, then the decimal forms, the same numerator will be repeating and it will be recurring decimal form. So, once again I will repeat this. If the denominator is 9 and the numerator is a single digit, then converting to decimal forms, it will be the same numerator will be recurring. And now, so we got only denominators with 9. What about other fractions? Other fractions, that is if it is 1 by 7 or 2 by 3 or 1 by 6, etc. Any fraction can be converted to decimal form in the steps which I have told it earlier. That is, multiplying each fraction by 10, you will get an equation. Again, multiplying the same fraction with 100, then again the third fraction also by 1000 and forming it as an equation and writing it as decimal forms. So, here any fraction with other denominators other than 2 and 5, you can do it in the same way. So, before concluding, let me say just a glance of this chapter. So, in the previous video, we were discussing about 2 and 5. In this video, we were discussing remaining other fractions, other denominators, those are not 2 and 5. So, in this chapter, or any fraction, you can convert into decimal forms. Thank you.